Hi, I'm Anisha, and I've got a GitHub feature for you to check out. So if you've been following along all of their GitHub changelog posts, you've seen all of the amazing new features that we've shipped recently. But for these videos, we'll be hearing more from the folks that have actually built these features and see a demo of it too. So for today's checkout video, we'll be hearing more from Eli, who'll be telling us more about mobile push notifications and deploy approvals. Eli, take it away.
Hey, I'm Eli. I'm a staff software engineer on the mobile team, and I want to tell you about some exciting new features that we're about to roll out on GitHub for mobile. So right now within the app, you're only limited to a couple of different toggles for your push notifications. Specifically, there's one toggle on and off for direct mentions. If you want to see any more of your notifications, you have to dive into the app to kind of figure out what's going on with your notifications, where you might have been mentioned, where you might have had your review requested, or where you might have been aside. All of that happens within the app, and it's not completely clear if you're on the go and out and about. So today, I want to tell you about some new features that we're about to launch. The first is new push notification settings. We're introducing new push notifications for assignments and review requests on pull requests. These will let you get your work done from wherever you are and customize to your workflow so that you get notified about exactly what you want to know about wherever you are. The second is custom repository watch settings. Perhaps you might follow a popular repo that has a lot of activity on it. You might only care about new releases or maybe discussions on that repo. Today, we're going to roll out some new features that are going to allow you to customize your repository's watch settings so you can get notified about only the information that you care about. And lastly, we're excited to announce deployment reviews. Deployment reviews are going to be a great way for you to ensure what code is going to be running in different environments when you deploy via GitHub deployments on GitHub Actions. So let's jump into a demo. So I've just updated to the latest version of GitHub for iOS. Upon opening the app, I see a new banner to tell me to customize my experience. And within this, I see new types that I'm able to enable to get new push notifications for. So let's turn those on. We're introducing a new concept called working hours into push notifications that'll let you customize what hours of the day you'll be working. So let's turn that on as well. My working hours are 10 a.m. to about 6 p.m. And I only work Monday through Friday, so let's make sure that's enabled as well. Awesome. So I've been assigned to a new task to go work on within this repo. I see that we have a new pull request that's awaiting my review, and I've gotten notified via a push notification. So let's go leave a review here. Within the app, I can leave my review and approve those changes. All of this has been done straight from push notifications without needing to dive into the notifications view within the app to get the work done. I've unblocked folks to be able to get the work done on the go wherever they are. So I've got a deployment review that I need to go check out. Within the app, I can see folks that have requested my review for deployment. I see that we've got some changes to our site that we're trying to make, and I want to make sure that we're deploying code only to secure environments. So let's take a look at this change. We can see exactly what workflow run is happening here, and I can choose to approve or reject it. I know that this is about the pull request that I just merged, which looked great. So let's say, looks good, and let's deploy it to production. From the app, I can approve this workflow, and within a few seconds, we can see that this workflow kicks off, and we'll start deploying our app directly to production. Great, our deploy is headed out to production, so we can follow along with the progress of this workflow run as it progresses. Let's check in on the progress from github.com as well. We can follow along live from wherever we are to see exactly how far along our deployments are going. So that's a quick overview of deployment reviews. Deployment reviews are a great way to ensure that just the right code goes out to just the right secure environments.
Great, thanks Eli. So now that I'm getting push notifications for the notifications I care about, can I go ahead and disable email notifications?
Absolutely. You can disable the email notifications directly from github.com/settings/notifications. On there, you'll see two different toggles, one for email and the other for web and mobile. By unchecking the email checkbox, you can continue getting push notifications directly to your mobile devices while freeing up your inbox from all of those emails.
Great. So I know that a lot of folks have got this question on their mind. So seeing as I've got you here right now, I'm going to ask you it instead. So what tools or frameworks do you use to build GitHub Mobile? I would love to get some insight on that.
Yeah, absolutely. On iOS, we're using UIKit and SwiftUI, mostly writing in Swift. On the Android side of things, we have a completely separate code base that's using Kotlin as well. One of the great things about working at GitHub is that we can use GitHub to build GitHub. So we use GitHub Actions very heavily to automate a lot of our workflows. One of my favorite ways that we automate workflows between both the iOS and the Android code bases, we have a GitHub action that automates syncing different issues between the two code bases to make sure that both teams are moving in lockstep and introducing the same features to both code bases at the same time. All of the features that we demoed today are available on Android as well. Everything from deployment reviews to new push notification types to working hours are all available within the new Android app as well.
Perfect. Thanks so much, Eli. I loved everything about this. So folks, go ahead, check out this feature and let us know what you think about it. You can leave a comment down below or just give us a shout out on Twitter as well, because we'd love to hear what you think about it. And if you like these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and you'll see more checkout videos coming your way very soon.